Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Math Made Easy with Terry in 10 minutes, okay? So we're going to talk about, here I want to solve one more example on integration by substitution, okay? And remember, we're going to apply the rules I talked about earlier, all right? So in the this is the third video for this integration by substitution. So if you've missed the first and second one, please go and have a look at it as well. So let's go. So the first step, like I told you, that you have to what? We are going to rewrite the equation. So I'm going to say, I'll use the same alphabet I used the last time. I said U, okay? I'm going to say let U, just for consistency, to be X plus 1. So that means I can now say, if U is equal to X plus 1, I can also say my du, I can say du, when you differentiate this, du over dx, is going to be equal to 1. So therefore, du is equal to what? Dx. Okay, so I have something to substitute here. And I have my du to be equal to dx. Okay, I have another one here. Also, from here, I can also say my x is equal to u minus 1. So you can see, remember I told you the aim of substitution is to remove all the x with a new variable you are imputing. And you can see, in this case, it is not a definite integral, so it's an indefinite integration. So I will jump step 2. So I'm going to substitute now. So my x is the same thing as u minus 1 divided by x plus 1 is the same thing as square root of u. And my dx is the same thing as what? Du. So you can see, easy. So when you look at it like this, then you can now notice that all the x have been taken away. Now, since all the x have been taken away, I can now simplify further. So this is something I say integrating u over square root of u. I'm breaking this down, minus 1 over square root of what? U. Are you seeing? Then we have this like this. I can now apply the laws of indices. So I can now say, we're simplifying, so to be integrating u divided by u square root is the same thing as u raised to power what? Half, minus, we're integrating 1, or we can say u raised to power minus half. Does that make sense? The loss of indices, 1 over a is equal to a raised to power minus 1, okay? Now this part again, remember the loss of indices, a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n is equal to a raised to power m minus n. So this is sometimes u raised to power 1. So this is going to give you, we're integrating u raised to power what? 1 minus half is going to give you what? Half minus, we're integrating u minus half. Can you see? Now, when we integrate this, okay, let's integrate this. Now, if you integrate this, remember integrate, you add 1 and divide by the new power, okay? So it will be u, 1 plus half will give you what? 3 over 2 divided by what? 3 over 2 minus u, half plus 1 will give you half divided by what? Half. And this is the same thing as saying, because it's divided, it's going to be 2 over 3. You swap this, u, 3 over 2 minus 2 u raised to power what? Half. So also we know our u, so we're going back, is x plus 1. That means it's going to be 2 over 3 x plus 1, 3 over 2 minus u x plus 1 raised to power half plus c. And that's the answer for this. Okay, so that's how you solve integration by substitution. So feel free to solve more questions and from the textbook. If there are questions you don't know, put it in the comment section so any other person can also try to solve it as well, or I will try to make a video to solve the question for you. Okay, so basically this is what we have. So make sure when you have it, the aim is to remove all the dx on all the x and convert it, put the new variable you're interested in. So as you can see here, all the x have been substituted with what? U. Then we'll simplify, we then integrate, and then we'll now solve that. Okay? All right. So the next video, I'm going to be talking about integration with partial fractions. Okay, integration by partial fractions. And I'll see you there. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any question, please put it in the comment section below. All right, thank you very much.